When opponent attempts to knee body, the fighter will take the arm and scoop under knee attempt. Fighter should not scoop over the knee or the technique will not be effective. Fighter should then drive his leg on the side of the opponent's planted leg into his thigh to take the opponent down. Fighter should not drop scoop hand until opponent attempts the knee.
Hand down. While you wait while you lock this.
When in clinch, fighter will want his hands inside with one hand around the opponent's neck. Fighter will then pull the opponent's head down and towards him with the other hand and then throw a slide elbow. While opponent is kneeling, pull head down and elbow with the other arm.
This to knee. Knee, you send you back. Back knee up. When him knee, you this it. Push and elbow. Stop. Step. Little bit. While you elbow this. Knee.
Fighter should pull opponent's head down before elbowing.
And you push this up. Elbow. Stop up, straight. Stop, hand up, take hand down, and push this. Elbows.
Fighter will throw body kick. Opponent will block. Next, fighter will fake body kick to low kick under opponent's block to hit opponent other leg.
Kick first. Next up, you fake.
Fighter will want to kick the inside shin. Kicking the inner thigh will not be as effective.
Yes. Stop one, fake. Next up. Up. Swap. Ah. Was. Stop. Big body first. Next first. Side. Whoosh. Side. Ah. One more. Bye. Bye.
When catching a head kick, fighter needs to catch the kick with both arms. As he catches, the fighter wants to push the leg up. Step forward with the same leg and kick low with other leg for sweep.
kick, leg up, and step up one step.
When catching the kick, fighter wants to block his face with inside arm. Then push up on opponent's leg, take step, and then low kick.
So, step up. Ten more. So up, step it up. Leg up.
After you throw a body kick, opponent may try to knee.
Kick or him knee.
To defend this, fighter can simply turn knee leg inside towards opponent.
Up. Kick. This cup. เอาเร็วกว่านี้this up this cup kick sit this kick box kick and box knee stop kick kick kick